Hi, my name is Maru CM. I'm a passionate technology lover and a computer hacker. You know one thing, that you can hack your mind and body also for an ethical reason, like improving human potential and changing habits. If you're a teacher, trainer, coach, mentor, or you have a burning desire to elevate the fellow beings around you by sharing your knowledge, practical ideas, wisdom to the world, then in this video we are bringing you a wonderful, amazing, marvelous opportunity to expand your horizons. You are worth more than what you are conceived about you. Yes, you are worth more than what you are conceived about. And it is highly necessary to reach your brilliant ideas to millions of people across the world. We have launched a startup for idea sharing people called Ideafactorypro, a Z generation networking platform. Actually, we started this with a crazy thought. When we look at trainers community doesn't have an exclusive networking place and knowledge repository catering to the new age insights and social analytics, and research initiative to showcase themselves and to get theoretically validated content and futuristic ideas. So we have created a Wiki search platform and a funnel to address this prevailing issue through a global network named as Ideafactorypro. So as I said before, if you're already a trainer or a beginner and you have tons of passion to motivate, inspire, push people to take action, then your cognitive capacity branding is our responsibility. Yes, I said it with full consciousness. We are taking you into a cross-cultured community across the globe, and also by bringing you into the limelight of the knowledge-seeking people. Yes, your branding is matter. You know how much it costs? No, it is absolutely free of cost. We feel it must go viral to millions of people. That's why I said we started this with a crazy thought. One of my mentors used to say, when idea grips masses, it will gather instrumental power. So we believe that when this crazy idea enters into a massive number of teachers or trainers, then it will gather an instrumental power like an army force and a torrential cyclone. So if you are interested to showcase your profile in our Ideafactory Pro platform, then feel free to contact our idea manager at ideamanager@ideafactorypro.com. Further, you can find the details in the description of this video. And again, I'm saying, if you have a passion to help people and transform their lives, then taking you to the information superhighway of learning is our responsibility. Yes, Idea Factory meant for that. If you are interested to create your own learning courses, regardless of the disciplines, then we will help you with a learning science abstract and technical supports of instructional designing, scripting, recording, editing, etc. Now the next question will be like, what is the cost for that? You don't have to pay for it. This platform is for you. So feel free to contact with us. Idea Factory is an ever-growing networking platform and a knowledge repository of brilliant idea leaders and practical minds. By joining this network, you are getting a chance to take into a new age MOOC initiative named BI School. Visit our knowledge billboards in www.ideafactorypro.com and bi-school.org. You can contact our platform wrangler to know more about the complaint standards and onboarding protocols at platformwrangler@ideafactorypro.com. This may be one of the best opportunity and a decision you make in your life. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share with your friend or a family member who have passion to teach and create impact to own life and others. Thank you so much for watching.